Hi everyone, welcome back to Here I Meditate. Today's meditation is about connection. Know that connection with your inner being starts with looking inside. So going inward and finding that point of connection is what we're going to do today. Now first, find a comfortable seat. And I really encourage you to do this sitting down instead of laying down. Once you've found your comfortable seat, go ahead and close your eyes. In the first few breaths here, the mind might be searching for something to think about, or that the distractions naturally come. Let them be there for now. Just notice their existence. But start to find your breath. And once you locate your breath, don't try to put in any control. You don't have to breathe a certain way. And you just let the breath happen organically. And just observing the breath coming in and going out. Notice your breath is there. And now we're just going to connect with it. And putting in a little bit control now. Take a nice big inhalation through the nose. Hold the breath at the top. And exhale, open mouth. Sigh it out. Again, inhale all the way. Pause a little at the top. And exhale, open mouth, sigh it out. Another one, inhaling. Pause and hold at the top. And exhale everything out. You've just put some control over your breath. Know that if you have control over your breath, you're likely also going to have control easier with the mind. Now continue focusing on your breath. And we'll gradually add in a little bit more control to our breath. Wherever you are, take a nice big inhalation. Pause at the top. Exhale everything out. Pause at the bottom. Hold the breath here. Let go of the control. Inhale again. Pause at the top. Exhale to breathe out. Pause at the bottom. And pause. Inhale all the way up. And exhale all the way down. Let your breath come naturally. Let go of the control for now. Just observing the breath. And let your breath bring you to right now, this present moment. If anything comes into your mind, don't forcefully push it away. Instead, can you be gentle and ask them to go away for now, and letting you come back to your breath, reconnecting with it once again. You are connecting with your breath now. As you look into your next inhalation, follow it all the way to your exhale. Gently blink open your eyes. And softly blinking them once again. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this guided meditation. We'll meet back here very soon. Namaste.